Let's get on to it, chaps. Okay, I'm Dave, and over the past year, I've been using all my experience and helped dozens of busy, ambitious guys get back their confidence, remove alcohol, get leaner, get fitter, get stronger, become better leaders using the onto methodologies and frameworks. Okay, and we do all this without the need for a one-dimensional PT or an exec coach who people simply cannot relate to. And in this video, we're tackling one of the most seductive lies that alcohol sells you, right? And that is that you need it to have fun. And like the rest of them, this one is sneaky because it feels so true, and you've probably said it to yourself. I just like letting my hair down. It's part of the vibe. I'm more fun when I've had a beer. Yeah, and here is the truth that nobody wants to hear. Yes, after you've had a beer, you might be louder, you might be more reckless, you might be more likely to hit the kebab shop or do the worm on the dance floor, but that's not fun if it's just a performance, right? And when did needing to poison yourself to feel joy or to have fun become normal? Okay, because alcohol doesn't make you fun, it makes you forget, right? It makes you forget stress, makes you forget self-doubt, makes you forget that maybe deep down you've not actually had fun without it in years, right? How does that make you feel? Okay, and here's the thing that I see far too often, and that is that most guys don't actually fear losing or giving up the drink. Okay, they fear losing a version of themselves that they think that people like. It's completely different. I'll repeat that. They fear losing a version of themselves that they think that people like. The loud one, the funny one, the one that's always up for a few. And underneath all of that, the question that no one wants to ask themselves is, what if I am boring without it? Let me tell you something brutal, right? If booze is the only thing that makes you interesting, I'm sorry, but you've got some work to do, right? And the good news is that you can do it because you're not boring. You've probably just been outsourcing your personality to other people and to a poison, right? So here's the belief shift that I want people to make. Fun isn't what you consume, it's who you are when you are fully alive, okay? It's connection, presence, progress, performance, challenge, right? Fun is training hard with your mates, it's remembering the jokes the next day, it's watching your kids play football when you're clear-headed, you're calm, and you're actually there as well, right? Fun is smashing a trail run, falling over in a puddle and laughing so loud that your belly hurts, right? Yes, that happens to me a lot. Fun is about chasing your kids around the dance floor like it's 1999, right? You don't need to be wasted to enjoy your life. You need to build a life that you don't want to escape from. And if you've convinced yourself that being alcohol free equals boring, I'm sorry, but that's not truth, that's fear. Okay, and fear doesn't get a vote in the life that you're building. And a lot of people call things like chaos banter, like being a clown on a night out equals being liked. They're terrified of seeming boring without the beers. Whereas in Onto, we do things differently. We laugh harder because it's real. We build fun that lasts beyond the bar tab. We don't need to drink to feel magnetic, right? One of the lads I coached told me that he thought that giving up the booze meant giving up his social life. It turns out he's actually found a better one because he swapped surface level banter for deeper connection, yeah, and swapped nights out for early mornings with purpose as well. Those fleeting highs for lasting, consistent moments. So next time you catch yourself thinking, this won't be fun without a drink, maybe just ask yourself, is the drink adding fun or is it just numbing a fear? Because real fun, the type that makes you feel alive, sharp and grounded, is built through presence, not through pints. The party doesn't stop when the drink is gone, it just becomes real. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one.